Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday morning. It's the beginning of a work week. For most of you, for most of us, yeah. Today is Witchcraft Day. And I bring that up because it's one of my favorite quotes. Well, let me quote this. Soup is witchcraft. We put plants, spices, and dead animals in a cauldron and follow instructions written by our ancestors. Today is Soup Day. First, let's go back what Robin and I prepared yesterday. Yes, Robin and I, we tag teamed. We actually, both of us, in the kitchen, same time. Working on the same meal. Yesterday was Southern breakfast enchiladas with sausage gravy. Take a breakfast burrito with, eggs and sausage and cheese and, potatoes. Put it in a tortilla and smother it in sausage gravy. And then put it in the oven. Well, you got to put some cheese. That's what it was. It was good. We had fun. I'll get the recipe up for you if you need it. Today, like I said, it's Witchcraft Day, aka Soup Day. Today, I am doing a zucchini soup. Let's take a look. Dutch oven, that's all I need. I'll be using regular green zucchini. I picked up an apple, which also has the names of, let me get my notes. Also has the names of calabash, long melon, and bottle gourd. Did a little bit of research this morning. Scientists have basically figured out that the apple, or these other names, was cultivated over 10,000 years ago. The original area that it came from, they believe was North Africa, Mediterranean, and then it kind of worked its way around the world, including into the Americas through upper North America, and it spread through Americas, but it is widely used in Asia and Asian cooking. So that's your history lesson for the day. And so I got an apple. This is a youngish apple. They get much longer. Again, green zucchini, an apple, some yellow squash. I'm going to hack up this yellow onion. We're still playing with the Kerrygold butter, which I'm actually not going to use, and I'll tell you why in a second. But there's garlic, some potato, kosher salt, black pepper. There is about a half cup of heavy cream, plenty of chicken stock. There'll be a splash or three of soy sauce. I'm using a light soy sauce. Where you have some of the rosemary, some whole thyme, celery flake, and I'm also using, to go with the soy sauce, a Thai chili powder. The original recipe calls for cheddar cheese, but I'm going to go ahead and use mozzarella. It's put in the end. And I get to use my favorite utensil in the kitchen, my boat motor, also known as the immersion blender. I was thinking about this dish last night, this soup. I'm going to add bacon. You heard that? Bacon. Yes, I'm going to do the bacon in the beginning, chopped up. I'm going to pull it out, instead of the butter, it's going back in the fridge, go back in the cold box. Then I'm going to use the beautiful bacon drippings and do the rest of the soup. Do the immersion blender, then add the bacon back. Yes. So, on this Monday, Witchcraft Day, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.